So he not survive, he not have the survival. Okay, so you have to fight and compete and win. Here we have hippopotamus. It's actually a very dangerous animal. More people die from hippopotamus than die from lion because they are very angry about protect their water. Okay, and they have their little area and they like to protect it because in that area they have their food. So if another hippopotamus come to their area, they will fight. Now say, stay away from my area. This is where I live. This is where my other hippopotamus friends are. And this is where my food is. Don't come here or we have to fight. Okay, compete. That is life. But even humans have to survive. For example, we have to do an exam. If we get a good score, then we have the chance to get a good job that pay more money and we can have a better life. Okay, so we compete in an exam. When we finish studying high school or university or whatever, maybe we have to go to a job interview. Okay, you can see these 4 people are waiting to go to a job interview. They are all competing with each other. Maybe one person have a degree, 1 degree, another person have 2 degree. Which one is better? Which one have more experience? Which one have nice personality? Okay, we have to compete against each other to get the job that we want so we can survive. So survival is not just for animals, it's also for humans. Okay, we all have to survive. So that's survival. Let's move on to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, okay, producers. Remember, we talk about producers and consumers. Producers get their energy from non-living things like light, water, soil, and then that they become food for the consumer, and it goes up the chain to the secondary consumer and the primary consumer. Okay, so 1 is sunlight, 2 is oxygen. Okay, the plant breathe in oxygen. Sorry, not oxygen. Carbon dioxide. It breathes in carbon dioxide. Yeah, carbon dioxide, and it breathes out oxygen. Breathe out oxygen. Yeah, so oxygen number 4 and carbon dioxide number 2. Okay, that's important to remember. Breathe in carbon dioxide is what we breathe out, and breathe in oxygen. Sorry, and breathe out oxygen. In the atmosphere, remember there's 21% oxygen and 0.4% carbon dioxide. So there's not much carbon dioxide, but a lot of oxygen. So there's 2 more boxes here. We have 3 is water, and 6 is glucose. Or sorry, is that 5? 5 is glucose. Okay, so when the plant get the water and the carbon dioxide and the nutrient from the soil and the sunlight, that make the sugar, like a sugar we call glucose, and that sugar let the plant grow. Okay, it reminds me, I have to show you my pineapple. It's looking very good now. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, So I will share that slide with you later, and you can fill it out. Okay, here's another one for you to fill out. A something is the order in which organisms eat in an ecosystem. The answer is food chain. A food chain is order, the order for eating. Okay. Number two, a something makes its